friends, welcome back to our Sunday special recipe. I am your Rashmita Padgar. Today's special recipe is Kingfish fry with Semolina. Here are the ingredients. Here we took some pieces of kingfish. While washing, we added turmeric powder to avoid smell. 4 to 5 tablespoons of semolina. Chili powder 1.5 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1.5 teaspoon. Turmeric 2 teaspoons. And salt according to your taste. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons. 1 lemon small in size. Some curry leaves for flavor. Pinch of asafoetida. 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Take an empty bowl. Pour all these ingredients together into bowl. Add ginger garlic paste. Then add corn flour. Add pinch of asafoetida. Now it's time to squeeze lemon. Mix it thoroughly. Now it's time to apply masala on the fish. And keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Shred the curry leaves. Mix it well. Turn on the blaze. Take a non-stick frying pan. Pour some oil. Spread it. Now it's time to dip fish pieces in the semolina. Dip it into 4 sides also. And put it into fry pan. Make sure that blaze should be low. Pour some oil on it. Turn the fishes into another side with the help of spoon or spatula. Fry it till the color changes into dark brown. Fry it all the 4 sides thoroughly. It's time to transfer into plate.